Hey guys, it's Emmanuel Jordan with Gadget Hacks, and if you're a book lover or just looking to escape screen fatigue, an e-reader is actually one of the best tech investments you can make in 2025. So here's a list of the top 5 best e-readers that you can buy today. So let's start with one of the most well-known options out there, the Amazon Kindle Paperwhite 12th generation. It features a high-resolution display with paper-like reading experience, plus a warm lighting setting that you can adjust based on your environment. It's lightweight, waterproof, and the battery lasts for weeks, making it perfect for travel or reading outdoors. The improved processor means faster page turns and smoother navigation through your library. That said, if you already own a recent Kindle Paperwhite, this version might feel like a minimal upgrade. In comparison to the previous model, the design and interface hasn't changed drastically, and the base storage could be limiting for anyone who likes to keep a massive library on hand. Still, for $160, it holds up as a premium, reliable choice that integrates with Amazon's Kindle ecosystem. If you're curious about colored ink, check out the Kobo Clara Color. This 6-inch reader features a Kaleido 3 display, giving you a soft, glare-free reading experience in full color, great for comics, webtoons, and kids' books. It's also waterproof, has Bluetooth for audiobooks, and integrates with Pocket, so you can save articles to read later. And if you're an eco-conscious reader, you'll love that it's actually made from recycled ocean-bound plastics, and the device is repairable. The downsides, the 6-inch screen might feel small, and the color isn't as vibrant as a tablet. You're also tied to Kobo's ebook store, which might not be ideal for everyone. But if you want a compact and sustainable reading device, for $160, this is a great choice. If you're looking for something more affordable, the PocketBook Basic Lux 4 is your go-to budget option. It has a glare-free 6-inch screen, a built-in front light, and weighs just 155 grams. You'll get support for 25 file formats, including PDF and MOBI, plus expandable storage with a micro SD slot. There's also Wi-Fi, cloud syncing, and 11 built-in dictionaries if you like reading in multiple languages. For $119, you save a lot of money, but keep in mind, you're missing out on premium features like Bluetooth, color, and waterproofing. Next up is a Kobo Libra Color with a 7-inch Kaleido 3 display that supports stylus input. Now, if you like highlighting, note-taking, or annotating ebooks in color, this is the right choice for you if you have $230. Now, with that price tag, you get page turn buttons, a curved design, and it's fully waterproof. You also get Bluetooth audiobook support, 32 GB of storage, and integrations with Dropbox, Google Drive, and Pocket for document management. Just keep in mind that the stylus is sold separately for $70. Last but not least is the Boox Go Color 7, which is probably the most advanced and flexible e-reader on this list. It comes with a 7-inch Kaleido 3 display, but unlike others on this list, it runs on an open Android system. That means you can download apps from the Google Play Store, making this feel more like an e-reader tablet hybrid. It supports text-to-speech, has expandable storage, and includes features like text sharpening, color enhancements, and adjustable lighting. The downside, it's the most expensive on this list at $249. Plus, there's no waterproofing, and setup might be a little technical if you're not used to Android. But if you want complete freedom to manage your reading experience, access multiple libraries, or even use third-party note-taking apps, the Boox Go Color 7 is your best bet. So those are the 5 best e-readers available in 2025. You can find the links to each device in the description below. And if you're into tech that makes your life easier, check out the other videos where we break down the best apps, devices, and software tips to help you get the most out of your gadgets. Till next time, thanks for watching Gadget Hacks.